Hi everyone, Matthew here at WeatherWatch, taking a look at the weather through the course of the coming weekend, obviously Saturday the 11th and Sunday the 12th of March, and generally the unsettled and changeable conditions will continue this weekend, but overall it won't be a bad weekend, and the primary reason for that is most of the wet weather this weekend will actually move across the country through the overnight period, both on Friday night through into Saturday morning, and then again on Saturday night through into Sunday morning. So yes, there will be some rain and showers at times, but again, most of which is likely to be overnight. The first weather system, in association with this region of cloud, will move in from the west through the end of Friday, and again through into the overnight period and through into Saturday morning. And then, as you can see on satellite imagery, to the west of the country there is further areas of cloud, and this is another weather system, this feature here, which will move eastwards on Saturday night through into Sunday, introducing some wet weather, but will then clear away through the course of daytime on Sunday. So the changeable and rather typical March weather will be maintained this weekend. Temperatures generally above average, particularly so on Saturday, when it will be very mild indeed. Temperatures a little cooler, somewhat nearer to average by the time we get to Sunday. Just taking a quick look at latest rainfall radar imagery, and there's some patchy light rain and drizzle moving northeastwards across the country this morning. You can see that on radar now, but equally there is still a lot of fine and dry weather too. Quite a lot of cloud in evidence across the country this morning as well, but as the day progresses, some of the cloud breaking to allow for some brighter intervals, but particularly compared with the last day or two, then overall it will be quite a cloudy and again a locally damp day as well, with some patchy light rain and drizzle in places, but it will be mild through the rest of Friday afternoon. Temperatures generally above average for the time of year. So let's take a look at the forecast weather charts now to put the details onto the forecast for the weekend. And a quick look at Friday's chart. The reason for the cloudy and damp conditions is in association with a mild and moist southwesterly wind between these two weather systems. And just a little bit of a meteorological or weather term, this region between this weather front here, a warm front, and this cold front here is known as a warm sector. And again, this is generally dominated by mostly cloudy and damp conditions, as has been the case so far today. But again, some brighter intervals locally developing as the day progresses, but otherwise quite a cloudy day. And it is this weather system here that will move into the west this evening and overnight to bring some outbreaks of rain and showers. So we move through into the weekend, and this is this weather system again bringing some outbreaks of rain and showers overnight and through into Saturday. This is likely to still be in evidence across some eastern areas of the country first thing on Saturday morning, so some rain and showers possible here. However, relatively high confidence to suggest that this weather system will clear away, and then you can see Ireland becomes located then between two weather systems, this one clearing away and then another one following for late on Saturday. So essentially a cloudy and damp start through the course of Saturday morning, but then as the day progresses, increasingly dry and fine across many areas, with brighter sunny spells developing through Saturday afternoon. Some very pleasant weather indeed across particularly northern and western areas through Saturday afternoon, perhaps some prolonged spells of sunshine too. And given that temperatures will be above average, then the combination of that and some sunshine, and it will feel particularly spring-like. Through into Saturday evening and overnight, however, and these weather systems will approach from the west to bring further outbreaks of rain and showers on Saturday night and through into Sunday. So we move into Sunday, and it is a case of a repeat performance really. Weather systems moving and clearing away early on Sunday. Again, perhaps still some rain and showers first thing across eastern areas of the country on Sunday morning, but otherwise any overnight rain will clear away, and then essentially leaving behind a mixture of sunshine and scattered showers through the rest of Sunday. These little weather systems on the weather chart, again just highlighting this mixture of sunshine and scattered showers, but I have a reasonable high confidence to suggest that through the course of Sunday afternoon and into Sunday evening, most of the showers will ease away, and there will be some late evening sunshine on Sunday evening. A change in wind direction, however, through the course of Sunday to more of a west or northwesterly breeze does mean that temperatures won't be quite as high as on Saturday, and it will be a fresher and cooler feel to the day on Sunday, and temperatures will quite quickly drop away as well on Sunday evening beneath clear skies. So let's take a look at the temperatures now through the forthcoming weekend. Quick look at the rest of Friday. Highs in the region around about 9 to 12 degrees Celsius or so. Temperatures not dropping very far at all tonight, generally given the cloudy and wet weather moving eastwards. Lows in the region of around about 8 or 9 degrees Celsius. Move through into Saturday, temperatures again widely into double figures, probably our highs somewhere in the region around about 11 to 13 degrees Celsius, and again when this is combined with some sunshine through the course of Saturday afternoon, then it will feel very spring-like indeed. Temperatures on Saturday night through into Sunday perhaps a little bit lower, lows somewhere in the region around about 4 to 8 degrees Celsius on Saturday night through into Sunday, and then as I've indicated, temperatures through the course of Sunday probably not as high as on Saturday given that change in wind direction. Temperatures generally in the region around about 7 to 9 degrees, perhaps still locally 10 degrees across some southern and eastern areas of the country. And equally, as I've indicated too, temperatures do then drop away quite quickly on Sunday evening and overnight into Monday, perhaps particularly so across some eastern areas. Minimum temperatures perhaps 2, 3 or 4 degrees, and perhaps just about low enough on Sunday night for a touch of frost again across eastern areas. So let's summarise that in our weekend weather summary. Saturday the 11th, overnight rain across some central and eastern areas during the morning will clear, and then leaving many areas dry with some bright or sunny spells, and especially across the west where these might be well prolonged through the afternoon. Mild or very mild and feeling very pleasant indeed in some sunshine through Saturday afternoon. Further overnight wet weather is expected on Saturday night and through into Sunday morning, again especially across some eastern areas first thing, but this clearing away to then leave a mixture of sunshine and a few showers, and many areas becoming dry with some sunshine to end the afternoon. Still relatively mild, but probably less so than compared with Saturday, and temperatures will drop away quite quickly on Sunday evening beneath clearer skies with quite a chilly end to the weekend. So that's all the details for the forthcoming weekend. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great weekend, and as ever I'll be back with you early next week.